Hi, and welcome to a visual explanation and a conceptual walkthrough of our multiple cost constraint traveling salesman problem algorithm. So, the initial setup is that we have a village space where points are sparsed, and we have a hub somewhere between them, and we want to generate routes such that the number of routes is minimal and distance inside each route is minimal. And the biggest goal is to work under some constraints, which are namely to have cities less than 17. For the sake of this explanation, this is already satisfied, not big of an issue. We can actually work, let's say, with 5 here, let's say, and we want the distance of each route to be less than some d, let's say 25 kilometers here, just for the sake of explanation. So these are two constraints. So while satisfying these two constraints, we need a solution such that the number of routes is minimal, and we want to minimize the distance inside each route too. So how we start with is, first we check if cities are less than 5 and the TSP distance is less than 25 on the whole space. So certainly cities are 16, so this is not satisfied. So I'll divide the solution space up into two parts. So what I'll do is I'll start drawing lines. So I drew this line and I see the number of points on each side: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right, now I draw another line. Passing all these lines pass through the hub. So now the point division is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 again. So let's try another third one. Let's go with orange. So this, let's go with this. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 and 8 on each side. So basically the first part of the algorithm, the line divider, what it basically does is it draws lines at an interval of 5 degrees. So there are around 360 by 5 lines on the whole space. And for each line it will calculate the difference of the points on each side. And it will choose the one with the least difference of points, because we want roughly the work to be equal on each side of the line. So the orange line in this case has 8 points on each side. So we take that. What we now have is two subspaces of the original space. So this is subspace 1 and this is subspace 2. Now I treat these individual subspaces as an input to the original algorithm with the bigger village space if the following conditions are not satisfied. So first I check if in each side the number of cities is less than 5. So we know that is not true. But say the number of cities was allowed to be 17. So that would be satisfied. Then I would check if the TSP is less than 25 in that case. So let's actually work with a higher city number here. Let's say it's 9. So here we are satisfying the city constraint. But suppose on subspace 1 TSP is not satisfied, but on subspace 2 TSP is satisfied. So if TSP is satisfied on subspace 2, the TSP distance, what we then do is we just generate the TSP route. Let's say it's something like this. We generate the route and we add it to the list of routes. But since in subspace 1 it's not getting satisfied, what I'll do is I'll do a recursive thing where I input subspace 1 to the initial function and I perform the whole operation again. So now since subspace 1 is not satisfying our constraints, either of cities or of TSP distance, I'll start drawing lines. So lines like this at interval of 5 5 5 5 degrees till I get a line which is good enough and which minimize the number of the difference of cities on each side of the line. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cities. So we want ideally 4 on each side. So one candidate line could be this one, right? And now we check on each side of the line whether cities and TSP distance is satisfied. So if cities is satisfied on, so let's call this as subspace 1 and let's call this as subspace 2. So if subspace 1 satisfies both cities and TSP, we calculate the TSP route for it. We actually don't need the last line here. So this is the TSP route and we calculate the TSP route for subspace 1 also. Yeah, and we report it. But say in subspace 2, it's not getting satisfied, the TSP distance. As you would guess, I will again start drawing lines, dividing it. So say I divide it like this, and now say on each side of the half, the city constraint and the TSP constraint are both satisfied. So I'll just generate routes and report this. So my final output will have 4 routes. It will be a list containing lists, where each list will have tuples ordered in what fashion you're visiting the point. So if this is point A, this is B, this is C, this will be A, B, C and so on. And I will have 4 such lists. And that is our heuristic approach towards solving the multiple cost constraint traveling salesman problem. Thank you.